will only avoid any confrontation with the enemy. He'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
Good morning, my males, my Kane, as we say in Hawaiian, and my Wahine, which is female, and Keiki, which is kids in Hawaiian. Y'all already know what it is. It's Emoneyshoes, and thank you for the new people who joined the Money Squad. You know how we always do. We always say hashtag brick by brick. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to really do an intro or outro. For those of you who do videos and stuff, you know it can be a pain, and you know what, doing all that editing. Sometimes I just like to cut to the chase and get straight to the point. Now, for those of you, I already launched a 3K giveaway. Listen carefully now, okay? There's going to be 3 parts. The first one is for the men, all right? You got to comment in on the Presto video. That's the Presto Nike Air React. That is, you can get the receipt. You can take it and do what you want to do, exchange, do whatever. I think it's a 9.5. The second video that just dropped was the Air Max 720. Now, initially on the video, there was a size 5Y, but I took it back and have a size 6Y, which is an 8 women's. So that'll be for the women and kids. I do have a lot of you subscribe to the channel, so that's why I try to keep it clean as possible. The last video should be out either Tuesday or Wednesday. That video will be unisex. Everybody can get into that. So we're going to do 3 pair of shoes that's going to be given away. The drawing will be on Friday. I'm not necessarily sure what time I'm going to do it, but it's going to be on Friday. So don't sleep. Get those entries in. Like I said, I'll be sending the receipt. You can exchange the shoe. You can take the money. You can do whatever you want to do. Just a little small token of my appreciation for everybody rocking with me. The only thing I ask everyone to do is just go check out my home team's channels. Like I said, we're trying to get the Sister 313 Retro Queen to 500. And also check out the homies, McFly KOL, PM Kicks, also Sister Princess Fame, and Pam M. If you check out the channel, if you like it, by all means consider subscribing. You feel me? Now, without enough talking, let's jump right into the review, because that's what you came in for, these shoes. Now, we always say, right, you can't have all the fun. You got to keep the kids fly. So that's exactly what we do over here. Dope box, Jordan brand, something different presentation. Size 7Y, so you already know this is not a personal pickup for myself. It's for my daughter, but please believe me, I will be getting these. These are Air Jordan 12 Retro GS, but my priority right now will be the 4s next week. Fisher colorway white, university red. As you can see, you got your RF, a little bit different on this. You can still rub your finger and feel it's brazed. You also got that barcode you can download on your phone to make sure your pairs are legit. Got these from Champ Sports. $140 with the discount. Came out to about $110 or so. So like I said, I love in the box. You got all the international flavor, right? This is the Fiba 12 for the Federal International Basketball Association. Okay, so as you can see it right here, I think it's Federal International Basketball Association. I think that's pronounced. Correct me if I'm wrong. But you got all the international stuff here. You got your gold jump man. So we always grumbling about presentation. So we want to look like to get the best bang for our buck, right? You got your stamper ramp right there. And then you got this plain Jane paper. Y'all already know that when you get GS size, you kind of get screwed a little bit on the stuff. You got your gold jump man. And then you always know I like to do the left shoe for some reason. I'm kind of weird like that. So we're going to take 2 steps back. Bam. And bam. Gonna do both shoes. Why not? I feel a little extra today. Why not? Why not? People don't like these shoes. Kind of similar to the Chinese New Year, if you ask in my opinion. Underneath, you got that white herringbone traction. You got your red, kind of like infrared Jumpman with your 23. You got your carbon fiber right there. And as always, you have your etchings, markings here. I love 12. 12s are pretty comfortable to me. I'll have to say they probably tied for the second best silhouette in my opinion with the 11, which I already know I am a Forest guy through and through. Right here on the toe box is Philly Phil. Not the greatest, but not bad. Pretty good. See that bounce back? Look at that. Look at that bounce back. Not bad at all. White laces, you already know 12. Rope laces you have. Then you have the 2-3. You got your stitched in jump man. And you got that tumble rumble, that old rankle stankle right there. Check it out. Check it out. Coming around on the side, you see very, very close. You got your etching representing the Fiba competition. You got your reptilian right there. You always got your Jumpman plate that is in gold. Just look at it. Just straight off the basketball ass right there. You got your baby Jumpman on the gold, on the eyelets. Coming around on the back. This is the part that's kind of crazy. I forgot what this meant on the back. It's in Chinese. I think it's the greatest player ever, some crap like that. Quote me if I'm wrong. And like I said, this is the thing they always screw up on the stitching in the back on the retail price. So they're going to vary. Then you got your 23 coming around on this side, the same. But except you don't have your Jordan and etched on your plate here. But you see you still got some more of that stuff up close and personal on the Tumble Rumble. You also got your mini right there. Your insole 7Y. You also got your QR code inside too with the production date. You see 3/30/19 at 6/4/19. Not bad, not bad. You got your shoe tree. Jordan is one of the ones that has a shoe tree that can kind of get a feel for what you need to be looking at. As you can see, I always have right here like 7, 7.5. You have all these etchings and different stuff on the shoe tree. Now we go on the other side here, put them together. I don't see no different variation on the shoe. Pretty much everything. You got the red around on like the sock line. I like these red hits because they're gonna show real good on the shoe. So, what we all came to know and love. Let's go with the Litty Lit meter. So on the Litty Lit meter, I think these are very, very dope. We may agree to disagree. So on the Litty Lit meter, I would give these about a 4.85 out of 5. Yes, a 4.85 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think about these shoes. I think the stitching is pretty good. 12s are pretty comfortable. Like I said, it's up to matter of opinion. But like I said, don't forget, follow the rules for the giveaway. Stay tuned because like I said, the drawing will be on Friday. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day. Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.